In this video, we're going to look at writing the equations of line and given either 2 points or just whatever situation we have here. In this one, it says, write the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points. So we do need to find the slope. And if I look ahead, the slope is going to be x equals 1 because they both have the x equals. They both have x equal to 1, so that's definitely it. But I would have you go ahead and check it, please, because this is a pretty easy problem, and Desmos does a wonderful job of helping us. So x equals 1, and that works out, right? It's the equation of a line that goes through those 2 points. Here we are matching the graphs with points. I'm gonna go ahead and do the easy ones. If it's both of the x coordinates are 1, so x equals 1 would be that. And then this one would be for here, both of the y coordinates, so y equals 5. And then the other two, I'll go ahead and graph them. -2 and 8, and 0 and 4. So this one has a negative slope, so it must be this line right here, but I'll go ahead and graph it and confirm it. Yep, beautiful. And then this one goes over here, but you know. Oh, okay, I'm not going to check it. It has to be that one. I'll do it the easy way. Write the equation of a line. All right, so this one is more vocabulary. I really don't know if this is going to be on the SOL, but let's go ahead and do the y equals mx plus b. So the b is the y-intercept is at 6, and the slope is -1, 2 over 3. So -2 over 3, and then 6 is the slope. So that's that. And then for the standard form, I'd have to honestly do it by hand here. So what was it? Hold on. So y equals -2 over 3x plus 6. So standard form, the way it works is we really don't want any fractions. So I'm going to take away this 3 fraction of 3 by multiplying both sides by 3. So that would be 3y equals -2x plus 18. And then we're going to move this 2x over. It's just basically we're just moving things around here to make it look like the standard form. And that's that right here. Well, the x and y are switched in mine, but I thought we had to have the x first. But anyway, that's that right there. And then the slope-intercept form is where you have the slope. Point slope form. It's basically you have 2 points, and then you have the x and y. So I think I can go ahead and do that. So that is y minus y1. Here, let me do it in a different color so it doesn't get confusing. So the slope-intercept form is y minus y1 equals the slope, and then you have x minus x1. So, and it wants you to go through the point 3, 4. So I'm going to leave this y alone and put in the y coordinate, which is at 4. And I know the slope here was -2 over 3. And then x minus the x coordinate, which is 3. And that's that. It's this one. I could also graph all of them and match the graph, but I don't think I'll do all that for this problem, but you can do that. Select 2 equations that have lines that are perpendicular to the line that's graphed. Okay, well, perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes, right? So we're going to go ahead and find the slope for this. So that's up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the slope is 3 over 4. So which means the perpendicular slope has to be opposite side and reciprocal. So negative 3 over 4. Hold on, my computer's dying. All right, and then so this one would be perpendicular because it has a slope of negative 4 over 3, and then this one will also work because it has a negative 4 over 3. I can also graph it and check. Yeah, let me go ahead and graph and show you what this might look like in Desmos. So this line here, negative 4 over 3, x plus 2. I wish I can like put this line over here. Well, I guess I can. I can figure out the equation of this line, so which is y equals 4 over 3 over 4 x, and the y-intercept is 1. So that's that line right there that I have graphed, and this line is perpendicular to it. You see it's perfectly crossing it, and then the other one as well. All right. And which equation has a horizontal line? So that's y, right? Horizontal has a 0 slope, but you can always check and make sure. Yep, horizontal line. Which equation represents a line that has a slope of negative 1? Okay, so it has to be between the second one and the last one and passes through 8, 5. I can use the point slope, or I can just graph it and check if this point is on this graph. 8, 5. No, it's definitely not on there. So it has to be 13, the last one. Yep. And that's that.